Welcome back everybody to another video. TheLoccust here, and today we're going to be talking about lights. Specifically the Neewer ring lights. So I have two right now. One that just turned on. You can see why it's so important to have lights. And then the second one is the 18-inch right behind me. This one behind me is used as a backlight for this specific scene that we're doing right now. And the littler one, which I'll be showing you later, is going to be used as the backlight for another scene that I'm going to be using. Let's get into it. Before we talk about this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Twitch for streaming. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Link's going to be in the description. If you check out my Instagram, I'm also going to put my link in the description for that. Check out any new clips that I'm going to be doing, any new products that I'm going to possibly be reviewing, any new things for my setup. I'll have those on my Instagram. Also, my Discord. We have a great Discord community. If you want to check that out, go to my Twitch, go to About Me, and then go down to the Discord link. Click it, and you're in. I'm on it on my phone all the time. I have the app, so if you need anything, let me know. Let's get right into it, guys. So for this smaller ring light and the one behind me, they all come with a different kind of lighting that you can do. So right now it's on a more blue tone. If you click it, it goes to a more warmer tone, just like that. And then it also has a more natural tone, which is like that. I personally like the bluer tone, which is just kind of what makes my stream look the way that it does. We're actually going to go and do the exact same thing on the 18-inch Neewer light, just so you guys can see that. Alright guys, the first one that we're going to be talking about is the one that you just saw. It was the lighting on my face that was behind my camera. It's this little flexible ring light. So got it right here. This one I normally use for my backlighting, so just something that can pull me, I guess, away from the background of my image and kind of make me look like I'm not just blending in with the background. I can kind of show you what I mean with this. Like I said before, you turn it on, you have your 3 different cycles, you know, warm light, natural light, and then that blue light that I was talking about. You can actually turn it down, dim it, you can turn it all the way back up. Just kind of customize. It has a flexible arm. It's got this little flexible thing that you can kind of wrap around a tripod, and then it's also got this clip that you can just clip to a desk, which is what I end up doing. Alright, now as you can see, it kind of made my background pop a little bit more. Kind of took me away from the camera, or I mean the background a little bit. I can, you know, always adjust it so it's not as bright, but it definitely just gives some like different look and some life to my stream. Now when we talk about the Neewer 18-inch, the big one that's actually illuminating my face, if I were to turn it completely off, so that's what it looks like if it's completely off, guys. And that's why lighting is so important. It's hard to see for people, especially if they're watching on their phones or something like that. It's really hard for people to see. If you can turn it all the way up, which is just going to overexpose me and just the look of everything. It's also really annoying. I like to leave it kind of in the middle, just you know, find a place that you like it, that you can film with, that kind of looks good. With my Logitech Brio, it'll adjust for different lighting. With a different camera, you're gonna have to change like the ISO if you're using a DSLR. If you're using a webcam and it doesn't have an auto adjust, you're gonna have to go in and actually adjust that yourself. OBS Studios has a great program that can actually get into webcam settings that maybe your webcam doesn't actually come with, and you can do that through that. So that's a great thing to do. It's gonna be dark for a second, guys. I'm gonna show you the back of it. Like I said, it comes with these little panels that you can kind of change to a warmer. If you like warmer, you can do in between, or you can turn it up, you can turn it down. We're gonna keep it off for a second. I have 2 monitors, so it is kind of giving me some light, but in a really dark room, which this is, with maybe one monitor that doesn't have a really bright background to it, it's going to be really hard for you guys to get good lighting on your face without a light. This one right here, I highly recommend. It actually comes with two batteries on it right here and here that you can charge and actually use it without it being plugged in. I like to keep it plugged in, always keeping it charged and ready to go. It'll keep it on full brightness all the time. So, but if you're going out and you're doing a shoot outside, this is something that's super great. You can actually mount it to a tripod. So you'll use this thing right here to mount it to a tripod, and then your camera will actually sit right in the middle, which will just, if you're doing like a makeup review or you're doing a vlog, I know that this is kind of a big one, maybe the littler one for a vlog, but anything like portrait style, or if you're just trying to do something where you're up close on somebody's face, this is something that would be great. You might want to use a floodlight if you're doing a bigger scene, but this is great for up close. Also a hair light, like I said, the backlight, you can do that with this as well. Super durable. It does come with a with this diffuser on it, already mounted onto it. I know that you can get more diffusers, but I saw other products that required you to kind of wrap a diffuser around this thing. You can do that to double up on it, but this actually comes with one already pre-installed, which is super nice. Other than that, guys, this thing, I haven't had any problems with it. It hasn't gone out. They are LED bulbs, so they will last you a long time. It is super durable. I have noticed that it is a little heavy on the tripod, and for some reason, the thing that it came with just doesn't sit very flush on it, and it will kind of wobble a little bit. It is nothing too bad, but if you've got a really expensive camera on this thing, it's a little precarious, and I would watch out for that. Other than that, guys, this has been a great purchase. I like both of them. I am super glad I actually got this one for a Secret Santa at work, and I'm super glad that I got this one. It just kind of, like I said, it makes the background look better. You know, it's just a more dynamic scene in your stream. If you're looking for that, you definitely need lights, guys. I've seen streams where somebody's just streaming in the dark and they've got this tiny little computer screen just lighting up just their face and they can't see anything. That's just not a good scene for people to watch. That isn't something that somebody's gonna want to sit there for hours and watch you do, especially if they can't see you. I realize that some people don't even use webcams, and even if they do, it's just a tiny thing on the screen. But personally, me, I like to watch who is playing. I rarely watch one without a webcam. It's just it makes people feel good that they're playing with you, kind of thing. If they want to kind of just get to know you and be a part of the stream, it's a lot easier with a webcam, and it's a lot easier when they can see you. If you want to kind of keep in contact with them and just talk with them, kind of socialize and make your stream better. So lights are definitely a great thing. I will be getting RGB lights that are going to go around this guy right here, this poster. It's going to wrap around the entire thing. And then I'm going to be getting rid of this and I'm going to probably try to get some like nano leaves, or I know there was this other kind of light that was kind of hexagon. I forget what it was called. I might try those out and do a review on those. Just kind of trying to brighten up your stream a little bit. I am going to be getting a new PC also, and I'm going to have just lights like crazy. Just if somebody's scrolling through and they see a stream that is popping and it looks like it's fun to watch, then they're probably going to stay and probably going to watch. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, I really recommend these lights. Lighting up your stream is essential, and these things have done great for me. They are not that expensive. It does come with a tripod, a case, a warm light diffuser, the one already on there as well, just a soft light diffuser, and the two batteries, like I said, with a mount also for your camera. I will put a link in the description for where you can find this thing. It's the Neewer 18-inch ring light if you want to look it up on Amazon. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Check out my Twitch. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We are going to be putting up new stuff on Instagram soon. Christmas is coming up. I'm going to be doing some Elgato Stream Deck, new mic, so you won't have to listen to the Brio all the time. I will be doing a Brio review. But yeah, check out the Discord, check out everything, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.